Okay, so today I'm going to be replacing the screen on this Acer Nitro 515-5257SS laptop. What you're going to need: a screwdriver. I've got two, one of them is magnetised and the other one works best with screws, and something small and thin and a little bit flexible that can get in between, underneath this case here to get the screen out. So I use a CEX card, but I've also used a guitar plectrum, in some cases a screwdriver, but just watch out because you might damage something there. Okay, so let's get the screen off. You just get it there behind the plastic casing, put it in front of the screen, give it a bit of a helping hand, and it should start popping off. Do that all the way around. And it's off. Just to take out these screws, just take your screwdriver, just go around. That screwdriver's too big. There we go. Let's go around and start unscrewing. Keep your screws somewhere easy to find. I'm just putting them there next to the laptop. Cool. Now with the screws out, we can just take this out, just unplug the connector there, put the old screen somewhere. Now I'm going to be replacing that screen with the same one that I bought from a company called Laptop Screens. Carefully remove it from the film. No, carefully remove it from the bag. You can see down there, that's where this has to connect to. So first things first, so that's in. Put that across. Place that on. There are little plastic things next to the screw holes that you just line up. And there we go. Now we just start screwing all these screws back in. Move the film. Oh, it's so satisfying. And there you have it. That is how you... That's how I replace the laptop screen for the Acer Nitro 515-5257SS.